As someone who loves to play with light and experiment with different techniques, I know firsthand how challenging it can be when the lighting conditions change rapidly. Enter the EOS R5C. This powerhouse of a camera offers a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which can be expanded up to 102,400. That means it still delivers outstanding performance even in dimly lit situation. What sets the R5C apart is 45 megapixel full frame sensor designed to soak in more light than smaller sensors. This enhanced light capturing ability is important for low light shooting, ensuring your footage remains crisp and clear even when the sun goes down. But it's not just about the sensor size, it's also about the technology packed inside. With advanced noise reduction powered by dual pixel CMOS AF Mark II, this camera's autofocus remains rock solid, even in challenging low light conditions. Plus, it can focus down to an impressive -6 EV, meaning your subject stays sharp and in focus no matter how dim the lighting gets. And let's not forget about the Digic X image processor, working smoothly behind the scenes to reduce noise and process high ISO images with accuracy. This means you can trust the R5C deliver stunning image quality even when you are pushing the boundaries of low light shooting. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R5C is your go-to companion for capturing outstanding footage in low light conditions. With its high ISO capabilities, full frame sensor, advanced autofocus, and top-notch video recording feature, it is a powerhouse that's ready to elevate your low-light filmmaking game. So, grab your gear, embrace the darkness, and let your creativity shine.